What is going on YouTube? Whew, it's gotten cold here in Oklahoma, just for today and tomorrow, and then it's back to 50 something and in the 40s again. But we got snow this morning when I woke up, and I'm doing something today I've never done before. I'm going duck hunting in the Taj Mahal. So you guys stick around, stay tuned, because today's gonna be some fun, action-packed excitement, I hope. And if not, well, at least we're gonna stay warm doing it. But wait till y'all see this place. Come on, let's go check it out after we go put the decoys out. We're doing it right this morning. I don't think it's supposed to be doing that.
Once it'll turn a little red, I can turn them down.
We are sitting in the Taj Mahal. It is windy.
Yeah.
Well, we had 2 come in, and we got 2 dead.
I think he was doing it in the proper way.
It already says change the battery pack. It's so cold. It was right at shooting light. I couldn't video. We barely even seen them. So we got 2 down. It's cold, but it's nice right here where we're at. We just had 3 fly over, but apparently they didn't like what they seen or something. It is windy. We got another camera battery in.
Right.
It's so cold that the batteries, it's draining the batteries. We're gonna go put out our motion duck. We got plenty of movement though. I don't know if I'm gonna get to show any of our birds being shot, but it's a good looking mallard. Pretty. Pretty birds. It's snowing on us. Can't really tell. I'll tell you what, it is nice in here. This is awesome. We are hunting in the Taj Mahal today. I'll have to show you guys around when the sun gets up real good. This is a awesome duck hunt. Even if we don't even kill any ducks, I gotta build me one of these at my duck hole. And we got a heater down underneath here. I mean, I cooked breakfast. Got Mickey kicked back. I mean, look at him. He could take a nap. Hey, Chris, that one duck right there, you might throw it out that way. Yeah, that one. And then kick those 2 hens out. Well, hopefully we could get on something. They've been having a field shoot over here. Everything should freeze up tonight. If this hole don't freeze up, or if my timber slough or my field slough stays, if it stays thawed, man, we should have a field shoot tomorrow. As long as the birds come in. Well, of all the things, we had some birds come in and they landed over here on the pond. Let's see if I can see them. Huh? ducks are right over there. There they are. You can see them. Right there. Oh, here's two more. Two coming in. Well, we had some action. Nothing landed. Still just 2 ducks. Had a lot of birds coming by, but nothing came in. We got the ice truck. They're going down. You see them flipping?
Yeah, they're going down. Just on the other side of what they're going down to.
I'm gonna show you guys this. This is pretty cool. They got lights up here. Forgot the battery for it though. This thing's messed up. We're gonna get a new one. It's nice and warm in here. Make this black mat. You pull back, and right up in here you go. We have to cut a slit in there, aren't we? I just went on a little walk, and there's some ducks down here. We're gonna see if we can jump them. So we're gonna go do that. I'll get it with my GoPro. Huh? Right over there. Hey, Chris. They're right over there. They're right over there.
Not right here.
No, over there, yeah.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll walk just to the right of this and just stay straight down this one.
Well, I walked right up. See where my foot tracks are?
Yeah.
That's where I seen them from.
So are they in this part or around the corner?
They're around the corner over there.
Yeah. Well, the only way we're gonna get close enough
As if we stay low through here. Come up the creek, maybe?
The other day we had some in there, and we just walked straight down on just the other side of this. We just walked straight down through there and jumped them.
So if we duck down, we can just get over there in that low spot and get down in there and walk along the edge of it?
In the water?
Yeah, I guess. got 2. Pretty long shot. My hands are crazy. Well, we finally got one. I couldn't turn the camera on because it happened so quick. He was right on top of us. But it is laying right out there. We were just about to pack up. Might have to wait another 15 minutes now. All them birds went down that big pond he's talking about.
More back over, yeah.
Well, we are calling it a day. We got 4. I didn't get it. Huh?
5.
We got 5. Oh yeah, we got the other one up there. I forgot we ain't retrieved it yet. So we got what is that? The limit of mallards?
Yeah.
That's a limit of mallards. So we need 2 more limits, but it ain't happening today. It's really windy. It's really cold. We've seen a lot of birds, but they just didn't like what we had cooking for them. So that's gonna be all I got for you today. It's freezing cold out here. I gotta go pick up decoys. We gotta get the truck. So until next time, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we will see y'all in the next video.